So these are some of the tools that Bosch has given us to try out in our factory here in Lyall Bay where we make these surfboards. Believe it or not, all these tools run off the 18-volt battery system. We've got 3 saws here in the BITURBO range. We've got the little table saw, there's a track saw here, and the drop saw. A planer, a couple of sanders and a couple of vacuum systems. One of the things that's really impressed me is that you can use one battery system to run these small sort of low power oscillating sanders all the way up to these really powerful BITURBO saws which compete on performance with some of the best cable tools that I've used. Hooked us up with this big 6 battery charger so we can make sure that we've always got batteries ready to go for each tool. There's 3 different size batteries that you can get in the ProCore 18-volt range. Smaller 4-amp batteries, medium 8-amp batteries and these larger 12-amp batteries. We've found that for us the 4-amp batteries work really well in the little sanders. They still give you a long life but just means that you've got a nice little lightweight tool that's not going to put too much strain on your wrists and arms when you're using them for sort of 3 or 4 hours at a time. The 8-amps have been perfect for us for the planers, track saws, the slightly larger tools where you're only really using them for 5–10 minutes here and there. And for the larger machines like your drop saws and your table saws, these larger 12-amp batteries seem to work really well. You can still use the 8-amp batteries in them as well. Where weight's not an issue, it sort of makes sense I think to invest in a 12-amp battery. I've used just about all of the other manufacturers' battery powered tools. The batteries that Bosch makes seem to last the longest. I'm not sure if that's the battery technology or the motor technology, but whatever they're doing is working. Being able to get rid of cables and replace them with this little pack of batteries has been really cool. Makes the workshop safer, everything sort of just seems to flow a lot faster and it gives us more time to do other things like surfing.